are at the Expert Connect booth at the Ignite conference, a place where you can come and meet Microsoft experts, connect with them, ask them your questions. But not only can you just meet Microsoft experts, you also have the opportunity to connect with community leaders. Community leaders are a very integral part of Microsoft and the ecosystem within Microsoft. So here with me today, I have three incredible ladies. They are outstanding ladies, and they're going to speak to you about their connections within the community, why they attend Microsoft Ignite, and what's important to them not only attending a tech conference. So here we are. Gift. This is Gift. She's traveled all the way from Nigeria. What an incredible distance to travel for a tech conference. Gift, why don't you tell our audience at home why you attend Microsoft Ignite?
Yeah, sure. Thank you. I'm Gift, and I'm a community organizer and also a software engineer from Lagos, Nigeria. And this is actually my first ever international conference. So what I'm really excited about Ignite is, one, the tech content that's been shared, and also the community. So since I got here, I've been able to connect with a lot of community leaders as well as network with different engineers and software developers as well. So I'm really excited about this opportunity to attend Ignite, and I can't wait to take home all these connections and build more communities with it.
Thank you, Gift. So for those of you attending the conference or in the future, if you see Gift, you see her walking along in the halls there, have a chat with her and ask her about her experiences in at Ignite and what she's going to be taking back to Nigeria. And here we have Sydney. Sydney's traveled all the way from New York City. So Sydney, tell us, why do you attend Microsoft Ignite?
Hey everyone, thanks for having me here. I'm currently at Microsoft Ignite because of two main reasons. Number one, I'm really excited to reconnect as well as meet other and new developer advocates as well as community leaders. And number two, I'm really excited about all the resources and the opportunities that Microsoft is providing in regards to building open source or new waves of innovation, maybe artificial intelligence, ML. I'm super excited to be here.
Great. Thank you for joining us. I think it's incredible. The opportunities you have here to have meaningful conversations with like-minded experts is really one of the biggest benefits of attending a conference. You can always go home and watch videos and watch the sessions, but meeting and understanding the struggles of people across the world, understanding what people within your community are going through is really one of the biggest benefits of attending this conference. And here's a prime example. And our last guest here has traveled all the way from Warsaw, Poland. So that is another incredibly long distance to travel for a tech conference. So why don't you tell our audience why you attend Microsoft Ignite?
Hi, I'm Alexandra. I'm a technology scientist. I actually am a researcher. I work in artificial intelligence, specifically natural language processing and understanding. And I'm very happy to be here because that's a rare opportunity to have those meaningful, in-depth conversations with other experts about where the field is going to be moving in the future. So that's, I think, very rare and very special. And I've been having many interesting conversations about the future of bots, chatbots, and natural language generation in the future, and I think this is something that I really am happy to be a part of.
Definitely. I think bots are they're the buzzword of the century almost. And I think understanding how bots, how intelligence, how emotional intelligence can actually come into play into people's lives, how bringing bots together with the way people interact with their lives is really going to change in the next few years. And I think having these conversations and making these connections is really what's going to bring people to conferences where you can have these conversations and start to develop deeper products and more meaningful products. So has there been a booth that you've actually visited here that caught your interest, that you thought was, wow, this is really innovative, this is something that you want to learn more about?
Well, first of all, the booth that is focused on building bots without coding is something very interesting, I think, because if you can build a bot and you don't need to work on coding, then that means a completely different generation of bots can be built by people who are not necessarily so technology savvy, and that's a big thing. And the other is obviously Cortana, that is very interesting as a solution for enhancing your work obligations, your efficiency at work. It's a typical, not really typical, but a specific bot that is designed for enhancing productivity. And I think it's another very important direction for the future of bots.
Right, thank you. And I think if you all heard Satya's vision keynote, he talked about Project Cortex bringing knowledge into the productivity sphere and the great things that are going to come. So thank you very much. Ladies, I'm so pleased that you're here, and I hope we meet again. Thank you.